Hi besties, welcome to my royal music stage. I am Princess Valkyrie, and today we have a super cool, trendy mission. We are going to draw the amazing Rumi from KPOP Demon Hunters. Does a cute dance move, she is fierce, she is stylish, and her look is pure magic. But wait, look at these two secret boxes. Our drawing is going to unlock two real doll versions, a super sweet Chibi Rumi and a glamorous Barbie Rumi. Which K-pop team are you on? Type Chibi or Barbie?
Drawing. Let's start sketching our K-pop star. First, we make her big. Beautiful anime eyes. Now, look at this. I am drawing her signature look this massive. Long bubble braid. It goes all the way down. Can you follow the braid on your screen with your little finger? Go up and down. Wow, you are doing great. Coloring. Purple. Time to splash some neon pop colors. Let's color her amazing hair with a bright, beautiful purple. Gasp! Cream. Dark pink. Yellow. Look at that. Now for her cool hunter jacket, a sunny yellow. Navy blue. And dark denim blue for her shorts. Black. Red. Oh, look at her boots. Let's add some bold red stripes. White. White for the top. Do you like her outfit? Give me a thumbs up if you love it. Our drawing is completely painted, but it needs a K-pop glitter spell to open the secret boxes. Help me rub your hands together to create magic energy. Count to 3 and blow to the screen. 1, 2, 3, blows. Wow! Look at all those sparkles shimmering on her purple hair. The magic is ready. Transformation. Let's open secret box number 1. Plim, oh my gosh, look! It's the real Chibi Rumi doll. Look at her huge purple doll eyes and her super chunky real hair braid. Her tiny yellow jacket even has a little zipper. She is the most adorable Chibi hunter ever, right? Now, let's unlock box number 2. Plim, wow! Look at the stunning Barbie Rumi version. She is so tall and glamorous. Look at her beautiful pastel purple hair and those high-fashion combat boots with real laces. She looks like she is ready to jump right onto a concert stage. Girls, I am absolutely in love with both. This dress-up was a complete success. Now it's your turn to vote. Do you prefer the cute Chibi Rumi or the stylish Barbie Rumi? And don't stop the music yet. Click on the next video right now for more magical doll transformations. Love you, besties. Bye-bye.